Here I am doing an unboxing of my first drone. Actually, this is my second drone, but this is the first one that I purchased for myself. Here is the backpack. That will house my drone. Very cool. It has some support connections here and zippered compartment. Place to add additional stuff here. Obviously a place for the drone. Extra pouches for batteries and other stuff. Cool. Drone's essential. All right. Here's the SD card. It is a 64 gigabyte SD card. And here is the drone itself. Comes with a 1-year extended warranty. This is an Autel Evo 2. This is the shoulder bag, battery, and propeller. I know some people like to just rip through it and throw the boxes away, but I tend to hold on to boxes for lots of different reasons. So here's the bag itself, and it's a typical Autel bag. Inside I've got the extra battery, the carrying case, and also the extra propellers. And then finally, the drone. This is an Autel Evo 2 8K. So security seals are intact. And here we are. So this is the remote. Has the phone holder. Of course, it expands out. Got the antenna. And you can see it already has a charge for the remote. I'm gonna turn that off right now. It's at about 50% charge. This is the charging cord. So I can recharge the battery as well as the remote control by adding in the USB cable here connector. And this should be the additional cable connector, as well as the additional adapter for the iOS and the additional propeller blades. Here's the main propeller blades. Evo. This is my gimbal cover, which I'll put on a little bit later. And here's the drone. So if you go online, you'll be able to see more specifics about the drone itself and all the things it can do. Small folding drone, folds straight out. There's a battery already in here. The battery has, unlike some of the other ones, you simply press to release the battery and then you can gently extract it. I think there's a safety seal on it. Yeah. Safety seal here. Pull the battery out. And there you are. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it together, charge up the batteries, and fly it. Very cool.